Hello guys, welcome to your own channel Technology Transforming. And as you if you already in our channel, thank you very much for your support. And if you are new here, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Just press the bell icon so you will get all the notifications. So if you new here, you just go to our channel. This is our channel, and if you see, we had started this series in the lockdown, and based on this we have given you many things. If you just new and you don't know about how to operate the computer, you can see our these basic videos, so you will get all those things, what is the functions of computer, how it will operate, and many more things. Apart from that, if your computer is slow, you can use these videos. So these videos can help you in terms of your computer it will be running with lot of issues, so it will correct all those issues. Apart from that, the paint, 3D paint, MS Word, MS Excel, and MS Word, that all the series is in both available Hindi or English. So we did our last with the home tab, and today we'll start with another session with the next tab. So I will take you in my Excel sheet where we already there. So I think this is not required, so I'm hiding this. Okay, and this I already hide, and I will just make out some zoom. Okay, so you will easily see our the things what we are doing. So basically we are talking about insert. So pivot table we already discussed, table we already discussed. Picture is simple, you just click and you just add the picture, whatever pictures is there. And this picture is I took as chart, but it is anything else, and these are the setting of pictures, the same setting what we used in MS Word and various time. So you can do here like rotate, whatever it is you want, you just play with this. So apart from that, so I will not required. So then we have online picture. If you want something online, you can make it. Shapes we already discussed MS Word, so I'm not touching this. Then we have these again online things, you can search and put the chart. So we'll start with the charts. So basically we have students, so we will try today different chart, and I will select this. So basically I have select all the student. You will go to chart, and here you can do chart type. So this is bar chart. Again, we don't want, because this line is roll number, so we don't want roll number. You just uncheck and apply. So once you apply, the roll number will out. And if you see Hindi, English, Math, Science, and SST, what is the marks? So these marks showing in the basically chart format. So if you want to put, you just click and you just type of chart, you can put like this, the marks will come automatically, and many things, different things will come. So you can try whatever you want. Okay, so this is the one type of chart. Then we'll just hide this chart. Then again we'll try with different chart. So I put here, then we'll go to again insert, and we'll go to tree map. Or this chart is basically for different aspects, so this will not help in these terms, but surely this will help for different things. And here is some other chart. So this is if you want some this kind of chart, so it will help you in terms of this data. So again, this chart is for stocks, and this is called waterfall. So if you see, waterfall is only showing either one, it can't be show its top or this. So basically it is showing, see, from here to like 110, and this you can do different things. So again, so this is only give you 2 series, it can't give you multiple series. If you click here, so decrease, increase, it can tell you how it will be. And basically you can change color or whatever it is. So yes, this is the one kind of chart, but it will not fit it here in this data. So we'll have other chart, then we'll just again we'll select the data, and then we'll go to again insert, and here we have 2D 3D line. It will come like this. It will have area wise, it has different things. So we'll just select simple one, and then we'll select 3D also. So if you see, the roll number is, again we don't want roll number, so what we'll do, we'll just click here and check here and apply. So roll number is now not there. So this is the one of the series chart, and if you see this color is Hindi, and different people, its dot is available. So you can change this chart color. So whatever its color, you can change from here. You can filter, you can make some different thing. Okay, so you can do many things. You can do like this. Okay, so you can do whatever you want. So this is done. So we'll just okay, and we'll just try 3D also. So this, we select the data, then go here, go to insert, go to again this, and you just go to 3D line. So 3D line, you see how it will be. Okay, and you can change again roll number, we don't want, apply, and we can change different chart, whatever you want. So it will show you 3D type. Okay, so this is the one of the chart. Then we have again we'll select all these thing, and we'll go to insert. This is histogram. So histogram will also not here, it will be for statistics thing, and surely it will not help here. So it's required different data, and here we have combo chart. So combo chart is basically nothing but series and bar chart, and again you just click in roll number, and roll number you can remove from here. So whatever you required, you just do with this. So these are the different type of charts. So I think we cover all the chart. Pie chart you already know. Then this line chart is there. So line chart, how it will be. So you just okay, pie chart you already see. Okay, and it's already there. So line chart will be this, just you know, so you can just do, and you will get bubble chart is there. So it's different basically things, and you know, so different things, different charts are available. So now we have this spark line. So we'll just do one by one. First will be the line, the second will be column. Okay, then third will be win-loss. So these three things are there, and what is the difference? You just see, you just click on the line, it will show you where it location range will be the same, data range will be from here to here, and we'll do okay. So you see the some graph come out. So we'll do high point. High point is what? This. Low point. So it will mark all the point, first point, second point, and you know, we'll put all the ticks, and we'll just select different color, whatever color you want, you can select from here, and you just drag it this. So your this full charts are ready. You know, you just see how the number is from top, and it is going to down. So you know, it is this thing, then here 65, then 55, then 80, then 86, and 88. So you can see here. Okay, then we have columns. So column is also same. So you just go to again insert and column, and then you go to data range. So what is our data range? Data range will be this, and we'll put enter, and you just change this color. Basically this will show you the negative value. If the any negative value, then it will show towards downwards, but positive value it will show you plus y. So win-loss will also help you. I will show you in the other chart. Then win-loss is basically, again we'll give the data range, and we'll do okay. and we'll change the color. So it will not help you here, but surely we have to and you can change the color, spark color line you can change from here. High point is what, low point is what, first, last, or whatever it is. So you can change as per this, and here also you can put high, low, this and this. So it is showing here, but it's actually you will come to know in the other this thing. So I will take you on the other sheet where I put some minus value. So what I did month wise and I did product wise. So I will just zoom on this sheet so you can able to see. And if you see, again we'll try with the line. So you here click line and give value. Okay, and you put enter. So you just see, then you just put high, low, and then you will come to know how it is. So you can try with this. You see the value, if constant, then it will show you constant graph, otherwise it is showing. Second type is column. So column is, again you will give data range, and you do okay, and you just select different this thing. So you just see, so it will show you high, low, whatever it is. So high is basically the plus value is in green, and minus value is in red. So it will help you in terms of where you are comparing your passbook with your what goes and what is your income and what is your outflow. So you can compare with this. Same way, the win-loss, again it will show you the positive and negative, and again you have to give this, and it will give you basically all these value. So you can click here. So okay, and you can change with this. So basically it will give you all these things. So apart from that, slicer we already done, timeline we already did it, hyperlink we already did it, textbook it's already done in MS Word and other area. Hyperlink I will show you. Header and footer you already know, and symbol you can already put. So we'll do hyperlink. So basically hyperlink is what? It's nothing, it's basically a link where you can create one sheet, and you can give the link to multiple sheets or multiple folders, and it will be open from one area, one particular area. So suppose I will put here one, and I want to take hyperlink. You have two way, one is the here, one is you just click right click and hyperlink is in last. So what you will do, you just click here, and what we want to connect this sheet to this sheet. Okay, so data is there and we want to connect ABC. This I already explained in my Hindi class. So data I want to do with connect with ABC. So what you will do, you will just go to hyperlink, and it will come many things. So as I said you how it will be, you can connect with the sheets, you can connect with the folders, but here you just go to bookmark and connect to ABC. You just put okay, and once you put okay, this one is with blue color and something, and it is, if you click, it's showing some address down. So once you click, it is go to ABC. So this is the basically hyperlink. The hyperlink is also used many times where you have some data in Word, some data is in Excel, and some data somewhere. So it's very helpful link. You can create as many you want. So I think we cleared all those insert thing, and we'll now cover page layout and other thing. Formula, I think we covered many things. So I think Excel is now almost 80% completed, and we'll see how we can cover up many things, other things. So I hope so you like our this session, and if you like our session, if new here, just subscribe. Please subscribe our channel so you will get all new notifications. And if you are already our our members in the YouTube channel, so you are already seen our many videos. I hope you liking it as you like our old videos. So if you like it, please share with your family and friend and who want to learn Excel. I think these are the very good, this is the very good platform to them. They can learn as much as things. So we'll meet on next session. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.